MLA of Suknu constituency, K. Ranjit, has asserted that the 10 Kuki-Zo legislators must bear the damages caused by the conflict, including the significant loss of lives. The MLA said the same on the first day of the 5th session of the ongoing 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly after the House adopted Agenda number 7, motion for vote on accounts. Drawing the attention of the House on the same, the MLA lamented over the prevailing situation in the state and asserted that the same has compelled him to lose all respect towards the Chief Minister, ministers, MLAs and Speaker. Responding to which, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that the matter is irrelevant. No further discussion on the same was held. The House adopted vote on account amounting to 11,500 crore 61 lakh 79,333 rupees.
Hojik sar khoi Manipur da chathariba laibak thiba irang haibtare masida khoi loire sar Honorable Chief Minister gi lem khaba post haingai leitana chingdare Honorable Speaker na phamiba Assembly haingai leitana ijat tare Miyam gi mihut oriba Minister MLA khoi si pura loire micham mayam ama sire masi khuding mak gi daitwa se sar khoi gi house da phamiramba Kuki-Zo community gi Honorable Minister ani yauna MLA Nipan Punna Moi Taragi Masigi Texak Mayam Moina Pubudabina Maram Waragasar Irang Sigi Matum the Pamba Sessanina Masiam Maru Oba Duga Manipur Prajagi Suyamna concerned Oba Miami Mihud Urban Minister MLA Speaker Honorable Chief Minister Haibu Kanosipura Kongo in the Moi Taras in the Daita Logo the Manipur Siriba Jati Anigi Kanglup Anigi Nupi Angam Aduna
Honorable member is Fazana Khanaba Kishpai. I Fazana Khanaba Kaidi Bakashu. Ado the timing of Laura Kanasis data, Kumbaya of the Pangang with returning there. Kumba Yad of the Pangang. No. Kumba Yad of the Pangang. Don't want to